Today, we explore foods that are believed to bring good luck when eaten on New Year's Day. Let's discover how these dishes can set a positive tone for the year ahead. In the southern United States, black-eyed peas are a must-have on New Year's Day. Hoppin' John, made with black-eyed peas, rice, and pork, symbolizes prosperity. The peas represent coins, promising economic fortune for the coming year. In Italy, lentils are a New Year's staple. Resembling tiny coins, they are believed to bring wealth. Lentil soup is often enjoyed just after midnight, signifying a year filled with riches. Spaniards have a tradition of eating 12 grapes at the stroke of midnight, one for each chime of the clock. This practice, known as las 12 uvas de la suerte, is thought to ensure good luck for each month of the year. In Japan, Osechi-ryori, a selection of symbolic dishes served in special boxes called jubako, is enjoyed. Each dish has a meaning, such as kazunoko for fertility, promising a year filled with blessings. In Scandinavian countries, pickled herring is considered lucky, especially at the stroke of midnight. Its silver color resembles coins, symbolizing hope for wealth and good fortune in the new year. In the Philippines, displaying and consuming 12 round fruits, one for each month of the year, is a widespread tradition. Round fruits symbolize prosperity and are believed to bring a bountiful year. In Germany, the tradition of eating pork on New Year's Day symbolizes progress and prosperity. The rich fat content of pork is associated with wealth and abundance, making dishes like pork roast and sausages popular choices for a prosperous new year. In many Eastern European countries, cabbage, particularly in the form of sauerkraut, is a New Year's tradition. The long strands of cabbage are symbolic of a long life, while its green color represents money and prosperity. Eating cabbage is believed to bring a healthy and wealthy year. As we explore these diverse and rich culinary traditions, we are reminded of the universal hope for prosperity, health, and happiness.